Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how we can deploy Jina AI's neural search applications on JCloud with just few lines of code. The first thing that we need is we need to install JCloud Python library so that we can interact with JCloud. So since it is a Python library, we just need pip to install it. So let's move on to the terminal and install this library. Pip install JCloud. I have already installed this one, but anyways I will just run this command. Great. So after installing this package, we need to log into JCloud. JC login. It will open the prompt in your browser and we can log in with our Google account or GitHub account. So I will use my GitHub account here. So we got the message saying we have successfully logged in, and now we can close this window and move on to the terminal. See here, we got the successfully logged in message. Now we are connected to our JCloud, and now we can deploy the Jina app that we want. So for this example, I am going to use a simple app that is from this repository. This sentence sizer app I am going to deploy to the JCloud. So I have just copied this and kept it here in my file called flow.ml, and now we just need to run this command called JC deploy flow.yaml file. It will take a while to deploy this flow on the cloud. Just give some time. The Jina flow is successfully deployed on JCloud. You can see the ID here. Using this ID, we can manage view logs and even we can delete this entire app from the JCloud. Now let's write a simple program to test it. If you remember, we have used this flow, which is a sentence sizer flow, and basically what it does is it will take a sentence and it will try to convert them into multiple sentences. So something like this here. So now what we have to do is, this is a testing program, and here I will use the URL that we got after deploying the application. So this is the URL that we need, and just replace this with one. Now we can just run this program to see if the app is correctly working or not. So for that, just I will run python app.py. See here, we got the output, and we can see here the text. Since it is a single sentence, it did not split it. Let's use another text, maybe a longer one, so that we can see actually it is doing the job or not. I copied the text from somewhere and I will replace with this one. Yeah, cool. So now let's save this program and rerun this. You can see here, this is one and it has another sentence here. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more about Jina AI and JCloud, check out their website.